Mr. Thompson stood by the chalkboard, his genial smile welcoming each student as they settled into their seats. He tapped the board gently to draw attention. "All right, class," he began with a hint of enthusiasm. "Let's start our day by tidying up our desks." A group of students seated at the back, known for their cheeky camaraderie, sighed in unison.
Ugh, he's so extra.
One of them murmured, rolling his eyes dramatically. The others snickered, their laughter a chorus of defiance. Rather than scolding them, Mr. Thompson posed a gentle question.
Imagine how you'd feel if someone reacted that way to you.
He said, his voice steady and calm.
Disrespect can be silent, but it still speaks loudly.
His words resonated, creating a thoughtful silence in the room. To Mr. Thompson's surprise, the same students who had scoffed at his request were now the first to tidy their desks, setting an example for the rest.
Looks like someone learned a lesson,
A classmate whispered with a smile, nodding toward the group.
As the lesson began, Mr. Thompson glanced at the students, noticing their quiet determination.
It's rewarding to see how a small change can make a big difference.
He mused, feeling a sense of pride in his students' growth. Mr. Thompson watched them leave, his heart lightened by their newfound maturity. The Rolling Eyes Club had transformed into a team of considerate individuals ready to face new challenges with respect and understanding.